All right, we can do a speed challenge. Cat, we're going to go on 3, 2, 1, go. 75 mils of mix, 45 mils of booze, ice, 5 shakes, dried lime. We'll go 3, 2, 1, go. How you feeling? You sure? You're not really shaking, so I'm scared here. You could be on here.
Please win.
3, 2, 1, go. That was a bit of a false start.
He's worried.
45 mils. There we go. Boom. Ice.
Good.
There we go.
Yeah, don't worry about it. Yeah, it's good.
There we go. Chuck. Glass on top. 5 shakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you're going to crack it open.
Don't worry about it. Keep going.
Don't worry about it. Take the top off. Take the top off. Crack it.
Oh, no.
There we go.
The victim.
Put the strainer on. Put the strainer on. Oh,
yeah, good.
Yeah, dried fruit. Oh my goodness gracious me. 29.76.
Oh, okay. I didn't know that. Hey. The lid. Hey, that's top 3 though. I reckon you would have gone into second there easy if you didn't fuck the shaker up.
29.76.